Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Changing a BIOS chip can appear daunting, but with the right tools and proper guidance, it becomes a manageable task. Let's start by gathering our tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a new BIOS chip compatible with your motherboard. Using an anti-static wrist strap is crucial to prevent any damage from static electricity. First, ensure your computer is completely powered off. Unplug it from the mains and remove all peripheral devices. Before proceeding, it's always good practice to clear a workspace, keeping it free of clutter. This will help prevent any accidental damage to components. Now open the case of your computer. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the side panel, then gently slide the panel off. Carefully locate your motherboard. The BIOS chip is usually situated near the CPU socket. If necessary, refer to your motherboard's manual for exact location details. Next, prepare to remove the old BIOS chip. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the old chip from its socket. Be cautious during this process. Applying too much force can damage the motherboard. If you feel unsure at this point, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you won't have any mishaps. Once the old chip is out, take your new BIOS chip and align it correctly with the socket. Gently press it down until it's securely seated. It's important to ensure it is perfectly aligned to avoid any operational issues. Now is also a good time to perform a bit of internal cleaning. Using a can of compressed air, carefully blow away any dust in the heatsink area and around the motherboard. With the new BIOS chip installed and the internal area cleaned, it's time to reassemble your computer. Replace the side panel of your case and screw it back into place using the Phillips screwdriver. After everything is secure, replug all your peripheral devices into the correct ports. Before powering on your system, double-check all connections to ensure everything is in order. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home. This way, you don't have to worry about dismantling your device. Once you're ready, turn on your computer and enter the BIOS setup to configure any necessary settings. During the first boot, listen for any beep codes. These can indicate if there's a hardware issue. If everything boots successfully, congratulations, you've successfully changed your BIOS chip. If you encounter any problems, our team is here to assist you. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. As you see, replacing a BIOS chip is quite straightforward with the right instructions and tools. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to contact us. Our professional service guarantees no calls and no travel, making it easy for you to resolve all your tech issues from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.